Hi everybody, you are welcome to this channel Ascend Education and Skills. I am Atanu Vital and in this video lecture we discuss about alkanes. Yes, what are alkanes? What are the structures of straight chain, branch chain and cyclic alkanes. So we discuss about what are alkanes and what are the structures of alkanes. So before starting the discussions about this topic, I would like to remind you that if you are new to this channel or you do not subscribe this channel, then you can subscribe it now. Let's start our discussion about alkanes. Alkanes are the hydrocarbons. Alkanes are the organic compounds and it is called hydrocarbons because it is made up of carbon and hydrogen only. So alkanes are the hydrocarbons in organic chemistry which have carbon single bond only. Okay, alkane means where the hydrocarbons that have only carbon single bond, they are called hydrocarbons, they are called alkane. Okay, alkanes, for examples, methane and other one example methane, ethane. These are called hydrocarbon because they are made up of carbon and hydrogen only, and these hydrocarbons are called alkane. Alkane means the hydrocarbons that have carbon single bond only. Okay, carbon single bond only, these are called alkanes. This alkane is called propane. These are examples of alkanes. Alkanes means the compound that have carbon single bonds only. These are examples of alkanes. Okay, this one propane, this one methane, this one ethane. These are examples of alkanes. Okay, so alkane, we define the alkane as alkanes mean carbon single alkane means where the hydrocarbons that have carbon single bond or single covalent bond and having the general formula of CN2N plus 2. This is the formula of alkane. Okay, formula of alkane is Cn plus 2 and alkane means where carbon single bonds present only. Okay, so alkanes means carbon single bond compounds and in this case the suffix always should be N, ANE. ANE is used as the suffix of the name of alkanes. To name the alkanes we have to use the suffix N always. N suffix is used because it is carbon single bond compounds, and for carbon single bond compounds we have to use N suffix. Here for alkanes only carbon single bond is present, and the formula for alkanes is CnH2n plus 2, and if we write N equal to 1, the methane is formed. N equal to 1, methane is formed. 1, 2 into 1 plus 2, 4. For N equal to 2, C2H6 is formed. Okay, N equal to 3, C3H H8 is formed. You have to put N equal to 3 in this equation. This is the general formula. In general formula, putting N equal to 1, we get our first or the simplest alkane, that is called methane. This one is ethane, this one is propane. So alkanes can be written using this formula CnH2n plus 2. This is the general formula for writing the different kinds of alkanes. Okay, now we discuss about the structures of various kind of alkanes. Structure of various kind of alkane, like this hydrocarbon, this alkane, this one is an alkane because here carbon single bond present, and for this alkane the IUPAC name is 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a straight chain alkane, and for this alkane the IUPAC name is hexane, because total number of carbon in this hydrocarbon is 6, and for this reason this hydrocarbon is called as hexane. Okay, this alkane is named as hexane because 6 carbons are present here. And other case, this one is an example of straight chain hydrocarbon, and this one we now draw the structure of a branch chain hydrocarbon. This one hydrocarbon is a branch chain hydrocarbon, branched chain hydrocarbons. Branch chain hydrocarbon, here you know with the main chain one branch chain is present, and for this reason the IUPAC name of this hydrocarbon should be like 1 2 3 4 5. So 2 methyl, this one is methyl group, 2 methyl, total number of carbon 5. So pent is the suffix, root word, and N is the suffix. So name of this molecule is 2-methyl pentane, because 5 carbons are present. This is an example of branch chain alkane. Branch chain alkane. You can also draw some other examples like like this alkane, you know, this alkane is branched alkane. This one is a branch, this one is a branch, and this one is another branch. So for this alkane, to write IUPAC name of this alkane, what we have to do, we have number as like 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. Okay, total number of carbon is 6 here, and the main straight chain is this one. So 6 carbons present in this alkane, and after that we have to write the name of the branches. These are also called substituents. Okay, substituents, and we have to write the name of this substituent at first, and after naming the substituent, we have to write the name of the parent chain, the means number of carbon atom present in the parent chain according to this root word, and then N as the suffix. So this one is ethyl group. Okay, this one is ethyl group, which ethyl E is coming first alphabetically. So 4 ethyl 2, 2 dimethyl, 4 ethyl 2, 2 dimethyl hexane, because total number of carbon present in this molecule is 6. So hex is the suffix here, root word is here, and hexane is the IUPAC name of this molecule. Okay, 4 ethyl 2, 2 dimethyl hexane is the name of this molecule. This is a branch chain alkane. Similarly, alkane can be a cyclic alkane. This one example of cyclic alkane, and this cyclic alkane is called cyclohexane. 1 2 3 4 5 6, as it contains the total number of carbon 6. So and all are joined by single covalent bond, means alkane. So therefore its name is cyclohexane. You can take example of this cycloalkane. This one is called cyclopentane. Cyclopentane because 5 carbons present here, so it is pentane, cyclopentane. This is cyclopropane, 3 carbons present, so for this reason is called cyclopropane. So these are the structures of some cycloalkanes. Okay, so alkanes can be in the straight chain formula or straight chain form, or alkanes can be a branch chain, and alkanes can be a cyclic compound also. So alkanes means the hydrocarbons that have carbon-carbon single bonds only. Alkanes is alkanes is a saturated hydrocarbon. The formula of alkane is CnH2n plus 2, and alkanes contain only carbon-carbon single bond. So this is about the alkanes, the general introduction about the alkanes, the structures of the alkanes. So this one is the discussion about the structure of alkane and what are alkanes. I discussed it. Right now I would like to say that if you find this discussion is useful for you, then you can like this discussion, and if you like, you can watch the other videos from this channel, from the playlist that I made in this channel. And if you find that the videos giving you some useful concepts or giving you some knowledge, then you can subscribe this channel.